Hello and welcome back dear subscriber. Today I have come up with 10 different Udemy courses 100% free with the certificate. And the courses is from ethical hacking to personal development, communications and CV, also SQL and also Win2 game like that courses Microsoft I have going to give you the complete courses, and this all link, this 10 courses link you can find in video description as well as in comment section. So you can just click on the link and you can enroll, and to know the course name please you watch the video. So one by one I will tell you the course name, so you can go, and if you have not subscribed my channel then subscribe it, and don't forget to share this video with your colleagues, friends and group, so they will definitely appreciate you for sharing the free video. So the first course is ethical hacking master class. So once you click on the link on first course you will get like this, and you have to go and enroll. Okay guys, so you can also join telegram group of Deep Code Guru. You can find link in video description. Okay guys, so you need not to write the coupon code manually, you just go and click on the link by knowing the course name from the video. Right guys, the second course is Autodesk AutoCAD Electrical 2020. So this is Autodesk means Autodesk AutoCAD for the electrical branch. So electrical designer can learn this course, and you need not to type open code, you just go to the link number 2, course link 2 and click, you will get like, and you just click on enroll. Okay guys, so I hope I am clear now. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, share this video, your friend is definitely going to appreciate you for sharing this information. And the third course is web development, app development, means under web development this is type of one app development, and even without the coding experience. So there is like some component you have to just add, like in MATLAB simulation you are adding, you can add and you can create it. So this will be the very interesting course, you can enroll. The fourth course is Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, Word and Windows 10. So you can see here this is the complete one type of the basic package of the computer learning. So you can learn this course because all these branches, the now computer is the fundamentals, like one of the basics thing to the 21st century. So you need to learn this all, so you can enroll either you are from any branches, any stream, so you can learn this course. Okay guys, so this is the fifth course. Fifth course is communication skills, CV, interview and business letter. So if you are preparing for the placement or anything, if you want to get more progress and jump in your life, then this is going to be very crucial course for you, exclusive course for you. So don't forget to enroll these courses. Okay, and don't also forget to subscribe my channel for more related video and more free courses. So now this is the sixth course. Sixth course is complete personal development, personal transformation course. So if you want to increase your personality, want to boost yourself, then you can learn this course, personal development. Without personal development you can't be one of the best professional person. So you have to learn this course. This is definitely going to help you a lot. The seventh course is PL SQL complete course, beginner to advanced with project. So this course is with project guys, and this is 20 hours course. So you can go and learn like SQL, you know, while you coming to the computer digital era, while you want to develop anything, any application, then you need to maintain the database for interactive website to make it more interactive. So that's the thing you are going to learn a lot in this course. And the eighth course is the complete journalism course and build self-awareness habit. So how you can make self-aware about the opportunity and different challenges and different opportunity in your life. So this course is going to teach you. So you enroll this course. This is the 8th course. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel, join the telegram group of Deep Codec Guru, as well as share this video with your colleagues and friends. The 9th course is psychology of image. So this day, as you know, there is a lots of application and the computer person, so they are creating memes and so many things, and you can't understand easily. You need high intellectual power to understand the meaning of those images. So from this course you will get some psychological thought about what the image is telling. So this is definitely going to make you one type of best intellectual person. So you can learn this course. This is the 9th course. And now I am going to the last 10th course, is win top paying copywriting jobs by Copywriting Secrets. So if you want to earn and make money by copywriting, so you can go and learn this course. And okay, I think sorry, this course has been expired, the coupon code has been expired, I think so. So let me go back and once again check it. Okay guys, so okay, sorry for that. Now this coupon code has been expired. Okay, so there is 9 course. Sometime it's happened dear, sometime it's happened. So while I am recording also some coupon codes get expired. So don't worry, I will come with the new next courses, so you can enroll those courses and learn a lot of the things. Okay guys, so don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you need also Coursera courses answer, then you can go and check my playlist. I am also going to provide the solution for different NPTEL courses in this semester, so you can go and check it out and subscribe my channel, so you will get a lots of help during the course. So thank you all for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video. You will definitely going to get a lots of appreciation from your friends. So now please stay at home, stay safe, stay learning, and stay tuned with Deep Codec Guru. Have a good time.